If you come to my Twitter here, you can see here I have over 3.6k views here, right, on this post, 44 retweets and then 46 likes. When you also come over to this analytics here, that the impression rate is over 357. Now you can also see my following engagement rate is 19.07 percent. Like, it means that there's something I'm doing, right, that it's getting people to engage based on the amount of people that have seen, right, my little work. If you're trying to grow a Twitter page and try to engage with people on Twitter, you know how hard it is, right, to like get people liking your page, especially when you're new, right? And most times if you want to grow on Twitter, you have to like focus on entertainment content and mostly news, right, and trending topic, because Twitter is like a trend based kind of platform, right? But you see, the fact that I'm getting like few shares, right, and at least it's getting to some people, right, and the reason why it's not even getting to a lot of people like this is because of the amount of followers that I have on Twitter, right? And I'm going to explain. You can see I have only 232 followers, right, and I'm following 287, right, and I opened this 2020, right, February 2020, right. Now the reason why I've not really grown here on Twitter is because I was not really very serious on Twitter, but that isn't really a problem because at least I'm getting like few views because there's certain things I'm doing, right, and that is what I'm about to show you and explain to you in this video. Now you can see here, you see this place I said my book coming up, you will understand this better broken down, right? Follow so you don't miss out. Now you see I'm literally working on a book called book is all about principles of the universe, right, principles of the world, that is God's principles, right, and I'm already trying to like market the book, right, strategically posting content on Twitter, right, and I'm getting a lot of tractions, and even people are saying they're anticipating. Let me show you. You can see here this one typed anticipating is the book that this person is anticipating. Here someone also typed I can't wait though. You can see here this person say if all this will be in your book I will be glad to read it. You understand? This March 3rd, this person say I'm looking forward to your book, right, and this is February 26th. Someone say I am more interested in your book. Now you can see based on all of these comments I've shown you, it means that people are literally anticipating my book, and I'm intentionally doing that, right. I'm intentionally making people understand that there's something by the way I'm writing and what I'm doing, right. So I'm going to show you what and how I structure the things I write. I'm going to show you how I write these things, and this is how you can also take the concept of what I'm showing you here and also put it into your own product line, then smuggle in like introducing your product to any social media medium, right. You can, if you're using Facebook, if you're using WhatsApp, right, you can also do this. I'm going to show you a lot of strategies that you can do, right, but we are going to specifically focus on Twitter like I've just shown you, right. So let's jump right into it. And this is the book. So you can see this is the book here. Presently I'm literally writing this book right now, and anticipate the book, right, anticipate the book. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so this is how I post on Twitter, and this is how I structure my post, right. So I talk about two sets of topics, right, on top of topics. Sorry, I just wrote topic, but I talk about two sets of topics. You, what topic do you want to talk about? That means if you're going to learn from me, right, this is you, this segment is for you here, right. Now I'm going to explain all of these things. The two topics I talk about is this. So I talk about mindset shift and finances, right. These are the two topics I talk about on Twitter. People know me for two topics, right. The two topics I'm talking about, that's what they know me for. What do you want people to know you for? When you pick a particular topic, right, what do you want people to know you for, right, because people know me for these two topics. Now when you come about posting, when you want to post every day, this is how I post every day. So when I post, this is what I want people to learn. So each time I want to post something, I have to sit down and think, okay, after I finish posting, if someone read this thing, what is the person going to perceive? Like, what is the person going to learn based on what I have posted, right? So you don't post things anyhow. This is the structure towards how I post on Twitter, right? So now you post, like, what do you want people to get after reading your post? What do you want people to get after reading your post? That means what do you want them to learn after reading your post? Now these are two strategies to promote, right, on Twitter, like when you're promoting your product on Twitter, right? So strategic posting, post to take people on a journey to or with your product or service, right? That is to your product or service or with your product or service, right? So just take them on a journey, right? Now the second one is find active people, right? Now you find questions that people are trying to find answers to, then answer them or pitch, right? So now people are trying to find answers on Twitter, right, to questions. They ask questions on Twitter, they come out, they just like communicate on Twitter. So you're going to find questions, right, that these people are searching for, that is active people. Then you're not going to solve solve their questions or pitch your product or services to them, right? But you're going to do it in a strategic way. Now let me show you what it means by strategically posting, right? That's strategic posting and take people on a journey. You see, when you come to my Twitter page, right, I just made this post now. This is like 3 hours ago. Just made it 3 hours ago, right? It has already reached like 1.6k views, right? And then 26 likes, and then 25 reshares, and then like nine comments, right? So I'm literally taking people on a journey. I'm literally telling people how to value themselves, right? So I'm taking them on a journey. So if you come to my post, just follow me on Twitter, please. I don't have time to like be going through, but just follow me on Twitter, please. Go and follow me on Twitter now, so that you're going to learn and look at the strategies that what I'm doing, right? So it's not about the followers you have. I remember I made a video. I said your followers doesn't define the money you can make on the internet. You can see I only have just 234 followers, but I have over like look at it, 1.7k people seeing the post, right? So people don't like, if let's say I pitch a services here, like a service here or a product here, and the product resonates to these people that are watching or reading, they have most, like, they can buy. So you see, I have more people seeing my post than the so-called followers that I have. So I don't want people to be discouraged by the followers. So followers doesn't define the amount of money you can make on the internet, and it doesn't define your impact on the internet, right? So I hope you're learning. Now the next thing is find active people, right? Find questions that people are trying to find, right? Find answers to, then help them like answer the questions or pitch the service to them. Now, how do you do that? Let me show you how to do that. For instance, you can come to Twitter here, tap on this search bar and then this search icon, and then type here. And let's say now we are going to strategically look at something. Let's say we have a product, right? Or like making money online, or whatsoever product you have, like let's say you're affiliating for a product. Let's look for something. Look at this. I need money, right? I just type I need money. Literally type I need money, and then when you type I need money, just wait for it to load, right? I'm going to show you something. Then come to this latest, right? Come to this latest here. So you can see 5 minutes ago, right? It really puts me on a date. I need money. Okay, you can see this 3 minutes ago. Excellent. So make sure those 12,000. Okay, let's come down. We're strategically looking for something now. I'm going to show you how to do this thing. Please just pay attention. So let's go down and see. I don't understand why you guys need this amount of money to create a website and integrate into. Okay, wow, this is something that we can use again. So let's just tap on this save, because it's 3 minutes ago, right? So we can now come down here and say, this is literally me like taking this opportunity to chat this guy that is just making these comments, right? You come and chat the guy and say, I can create websites, or you're literally seeing me live doing this thing. This is what you're supposed to do, because actually I do create website. I have like developers to create websites like for people, right? With lower budget, right? Yeah, with lower budget. Can I DM you, right? So you can see this is literally, so I can see I and my team, okay, me and my team, howsoever. So now you just tap on reply, right? So now we have replied this guy, so we can still come down, right? This is literally you doing this thing like marketing on Twitter, literally. Okay, so let's keep going down. We're literally looking for something. I need money, boss. So you can come down here and say now your product, right? If you need money, why don't you learn a digital skill? It will really help. Okay, let's sit down and think about how we're going to do this. This is literally me live showing you what to do, right? Live showing you what to do, how to market with Twitter. Okay, let's just do all this correct. Let me see. I'm going to twist this, so you can say it will help you. If interested, we can talk. This is a Nigerian, so we can talk. So you can come here, because this is a Nigerian, right? You can say thank God. You can say thank God I learned a digital skill, right? So you can see thank God I learned a digital skill. If you need money, why don't you learn a digital skill, right? It will help you. If you are interested, we can talk, right? So then you now see right? Then you can now put just reply. You can just reply. So you can see it has replied the person. Now you see, this is how you can live, like you do this every day, right? Every day. Like you have a product, right? You sit down and think about it. Okay, what do you think people that might need this product will be looking for? Like, what do you think, okay, this kind girls should be looking for? Okay, my hair is old, right? Let's say you're selling hair. My hair is old. girls, what hair should I do? What is the best salon I can do? You can type all of this. Just you have to sit down and think, right? So that when you sit down and think, you don't say, okay, most likely people can be searching for this kind of thing. Then you will literally type it. Then when you type it, you now tap on that top or latest, right? Then you're not going to see people literally commenting, like live commenting. Then you can now reply their comments based on the things you have typed. Like, this is how you can do it on Twitter, right? Now you can see the person I just chatted just replied, right? Because this is like real time. It's like real time. So you can see he just replied. Now money person will still start digital skills, boss, right? So this is what I replied to the person, right? I said, this is what I replied. I say, yes, boss, but there are some like graphic design. You don't need so much money to start. Though you can follow me, I will follow you too. I dey share valuable opportunities for my accounts. You may like. So you understand. So even if the person doesn't buy the skill, even if the person doesn't buy your product, I'll make the person follow you, right? Just still give the person value. Like, make the person follow you. So let me just go to the person and then follow the person, literally. So I hope you're getting value from this. If please you are getting value, share with 5 friends and like this video, so it will encourage me. And comment, please comment on the comment section. Tell me your name, right? Just tell me your name and where you're from, right? Just tell me your name and where you're from, right? I want to get to know you. If you got value from this video, like the video, share with 5 friends, right? Share with 5 friends, and see you in the next one.